Ever dreamt of rocketing to the moon? Well, maybe not literally, but have you heard of Lunar Bank, a financial institution aiming to be as innovative as space travel? They're definitely not your grandpa's bank, but where on Earth, or should we say where on this planet, is their headquarters located? Lunar Bank has made a splash in the financial world with its focus on mobile banking, sleek interfaces, and, well, let's be honest, a pretty cool name. But with all this talk about the future of finance, a simple question pops up: where is Lunar Bank actually headquartered? Is it a global giant with offices scattered across continents, or a more localized operation? Dive into Lunar Bank headquarters. Now, back to the mission at hand. While Lunar Bank might seem like a futuristic bank from a distant galaxy, their headquarters are actually quite grounded. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a virtual journey to discover their earthly base. Option 1. Specific headquarters location revealed. Our intel suggests that Lunar Bank has chosen city name, country name as their central command. This city is known for its positive attributes related to finance or technology. Perhaps this strategic location allows them to tap into a pool of talented individuals or fosters a culture of innovation. Whatever the reason, it seems like a perfect fit for a bank reaching for the stars. Option 2. Headquarters location unknown. The mystery deepens. As of today, Lunar Bank seems to be keeping the exact location of their headquarters under wraps. Their website and social media channels are tight-lipped on the subject. Maybe they're aiming for a sleek, virtual presence, or perhaps there's another reason for the secrecy. Who knows? It adds to the intrigue, wouldn't you say? Speculation and discussion. So, what do you think? Is there a specific reason Lunar Bank might choose a particular city for its headquarters? Does the location itself say something about their approach to finance? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going. Lunar Bank's global reach. Even if the exact HQ location remains a mystery, one thing's clear: Lunar Bank is aiming for a global impact. Their mobile app and online services are designed to transcend borders, making them accessible to anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection. The future of Lunar Bank. With its focus on innovation and a global reach, Lunar Bank is definitely a force to be reckoned with in the financial world. Whether their headquarters are a beacon in a bustling metropolis or a virtual command center shrouded in secrecy, one thing's for sure: they're making waves, and it will be exciting to see where they take us next. Call to action and outro. Did this video spark your curiosity about Lunar Bank? Let me know in the comments if you'd like a deeper dive into their services, or perhaps a comparison with other mobile-first banks. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of finance.